Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be trying out this BALI Body for you guys to see. This one is the dark streak-free self-tanning mousse. So I'm actually on vacation right now. I'm in Florida, but it is rain season, so I haven't been able to get as much sun as I like. So because of that, I want to extend my tan with this BALI Body self-tanning mousse and show you guys the process. So throughout my entire vacation, I've been using their BALI Body grape tanning oil and the peach tanning oil. These things smell so good. I literally have been using them the entire vacation. We went to the Bahamas. I took them there. We were by the beach, by the pool. Anywhere where I was getting a little bit of sun, I was definitely using these two tanning oils, and I feel like they've helped my skin develop this beautiful dark tan without it looking too orangey or without my skin burning. And the good thing about these oils is that they do say nourish, tan, replenish. So it definitely helps nourish the skin as well as give your skin a nice tan. So this grape tanning oil says in the back, it's a sun tanning oil enriched with skin smoothing grapeseed oil. Grapeseed is so good for your skin. It's actually really good for your hair too. I always hear about grapeseed oil in people's hair and how it replenishes, and it's just very good for moisturizing. So this oil actually says that it's natural oil, will give you a deep sun tan with hydrating and nourishing your skin. Can you read right loud? Okay, so then the directions on both of these self-tanning oils just say that you want to shake them really well and then apply them 15 minutes before you actually go into the sun. So anytime that I do a self-tanning mousse at home, the first thing that I want to do is make sure that my skin is exfoliated. So usually I'll use like one of those scratching mitts or just use like a regular exfoliator inside of your shower, or if you don't have that, you can always make your own exfoliator with brown sugar and any type of oil like coconut oil that you would like. The second thing you want to do when you're doing self-tanning mousse at home is to shave. You want to make sure you have shaved your entire body or the entire area that you want to tan. The third thing you want to do before you do a self-tanning mousse is that you want to make sure that your skin is hydrated, especially rough areas like your elbows, your hands, your knees, your ankles, and I always moisturize my feet very well just because I feel like that part of my skin is just always super dry. Alright, so now that you have your skin prepped, you want to pick out your favorite mousse from the BALI Body collection. I'm going to be using this dark one, and this one says that to achieve a flawless natural looking tan with our easy to apply, fast drying, and lightly tinted tanning mousse, no self-tan smell. That is absolutely true. I have tried another self-tanning mousse and it has like that weird smell that we all get from a self-tanning. If you tan, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this one does not have it. And this, what I like about this is that it's formulated with a color guard, which helps you know where exactly you've applied your self-tanning mousse. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna just shake this up. Long streaks. So once the product is almost all gone from my mitt, that's when I go into my elbows and I just rub the product in. Now, like I mentioned, my elbows are extra moisturized. I just applied lotion to them, so that kind of helps so that the self-tanning doesn't get stuck in all the little crevices. And then, again, there's no more product on my mitt, just whatever's left from my hands. I'm going to start rubbing them into my hands. So with this BALI Body self-tanning mousse, it has a few different things that you can do in regards to time. So you can actually wash this mousse off after an hour, and you can also reapply layers on top of layers if you'd like. This one says that you could do one layer on top of the other. You can wash this off after 4 hours, or you can leave it on for 6 to 8 hours. Or if you're like me, super lazy, you can actually put this on right before bed, fall asleep, and wake up in the morning and wash it off. I love that it kind of just gradually starts to get darker on your skin. It works perfectly on medium skin tones, from light to medium skin tones. So I bet if you were even darker than I, this would work perfectly on you. Because of the color guard, it kind of just gradually starts to tailor to your skin, which is awesome about this product. always, I will make sure that these products are linked down below. So if you click on the description box, you'll see the link that'll take you straight to their website and you'll be able to purchase your very own. As always, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And make sure you hit that bell notification up top so that you are notified every time there's a new video up on my channel. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.